Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be eating Oreo cookies, Oreo biscuits, whatever you call it. But first of all, I want to let you know that this channel has hit 4,000 views. Yes, this channel has now 4,000 views and I'm very happy for that. So yeah, let's begin this video, and I'm very happy to do this video because who doesn't love Oreo cookies? I don't know about you. Hey, leave a like if you like Oreo biscuits. It's going to be crazy video. I have the Oreo biscuits. More. You know what? I have one more. Yup. Here it is. Yes, these are the Oreos that I am going to be eating. But before I begin this video, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos on this channel. Yeah, anyways, first of all, I'm going to unwrap all of these Oreo biscuits. Oreo! Whoa, whoa, look at this. Ah, yummy. Yep. Chka. Yes. This is a lot. Like, I think about 15 Oreo biscuits. It's going to be heavy on me. Like, how do you eat all this? Yeah. How do I eat all this? Whoa, this is going to be insane video. Yes, just give me a like this video and subscribe the channel so I can make more Oreo videos. Oh, just I'm gonna play some off here and then we'll so I can take it. Let's stop it. Let's just leave it. No. Ah. Okay guys, I have my Oreo cookies ready for me. I don't know about I'm going to eat all of this or not. I maybe eat half of it. Like these are nearly like these are 100 Oreo cookies. Like look at how many are there. So I'm going to try at least 50 of it. Like half of it, I'm going to eat half of it. Wish me luck by clicking the subscribe button down below, and yeah, let's start this video in 3, 2, 1. Yes, the time is ready and I have my water, so let's eat this. I think I need more water. I'll be right back. I'm gonna fill some water. Guys, I think I'm going to stop here, and I want to leave these cookies just like this. Hey, you know what? If you want these Oreo cookies, just subscribe the channel. I'll send it to your home. Just kidding. By the way, please do subscribe so I can do more amazing eating challenges videos for you guys. Yeah. Alright guys, see you in next video. Bye bye. See ya.